students. Good morning, students. Let us see the next exercise. See, your first question is use the bar graph. See the given figures to answer the following question. Which is the most popular pet? You can see in the bar graph that here dogs, cat, rabbit, hamsters, and others. Hamsters and other pet animal names are given, and bar is given that which animal is how much liked. Since the bar graph, you can see that the cat's place, you can see here, you can see the cat's place is the highest one, means it is on the 10 number. So we can know that it is on highest. Since the bar graph represent cat is the tallest, cat is the most popular pet. Means first one's answer we got that cat is the most popular pet. Now see the B one. How many children have dog as a pet? How many children have dog as a pet? So you can see the dog. See the dog is how much? On 8. So how many children like pet dog? So the number of children having dog as a pet are 8. You can know by the bar graph that the number how many children like the pet dog. So the answer will be 8. Now let's on move to the next question. Students, our second question is read the bar graph in the given figure. Show the number of books sold by the bookseller during 5 consecutive years and answer the question that follow. See here, you can see the graph that 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 600 and 1 centimeter equal to 100 books. So about how many books were sold in years are given. 3 years are given, that is 1989, 1990 and 1992. In 1992, in 1989, how many books were sold? You can see that it is less than 200. In this graph we cannot measure, but if you will see in your textbook, you can see that the answer, the measure will be on 175. And in 1919, 475 books were sold, and in 1992 225 books were sold. Means it is very easy, just you have to see the graph, you have to measure with the help of scale, and you have to write that number. See second one, in which year about 475 books were sold, about 225 books were sold. Means we have to tell in which year. First it was asked, and in year how many books were sold. Now number of books are given and we have to tell the year. So from the graph we can say that 475 books were sold in 1919 and 225 books were sold in 1992. The third question is, in which year fewer than 250 books were sold? Less than 250 books were sold, means in 1989. So from the graph it is conducted that the number of books sold in the year 1989 is about 3/4 part of 1 centimeter. 3/4 part of the 1 centimeter means you can see that 3/4 part of the 1 centimeter book is sold. So how we will find that how much will be the 3/4 part? So we know that the scale is taken as 1 centimeter equal to 100. So 100 plus 3 upon 4 into 100 equals to 100 plus 75. So it will be 175. Therefore about 175 books were sold in the year 1989. Understood? It is very easy, nothing much is there in that. See the third question. Number of children in 6 different classes are given below. Represent the data on a bar graph. See here, number of children are given and bar graph is given. We have to, same thing we have to answer by seeing the question. How would you choose a scale? How we are going to choose a scale? We are going to choose a scale as 1 unit equal to 10 children. You can see in the graph it is given already. Because we can represent a more clear difference between the number of students of class 7th and that of class 9 by this scale. See B question. Which class has the maximum number of children and the minimum? Means we have to tell the maximum and minimum. Maximum you can see the 5th class and minimum you can see in the 10th class. But we have to tell the exact number. So since the bar graph represents the number of children in 5th is the tallest, that are maximum number of children in the class. Similarly, since the bar graph shows smallest in the 10th class. See the third question, find the ratio of the students of class 6 to the students of class 8. We have to find the ratio. So how we will find the ratio? The number of students in class 6 is 120 and the number of students in class 8 is 100. Therefore, the ratio between the students of class 6 and the number of class 8 will be 6 and 8 will be how much? 120 divided by 100, that will be 6 upon 5. If we will convert that in decimal, it will be 6:5. So it will be how much? 6 raised to 5. Understood? It is very easy. There is nothing much to do in that. Just you have to see the graph and you have to answer the. See the sixth one. Fourth, fifth is also same. So I am not going to do that. See the sixth one. Take the data giving the minimum and maximum temperature of the various cities. See here various cities maximum and minimum temperature is given. See Ahmedabad. In Ahmedabad it is 38 degree Celsius is maximum and minimum is 29 degree Celsius. Same way Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai. Maximum and minimum degree Celsius is given. What is the question asked? Let us see. Which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Hottest means, let us see with the help of bar graph, maximum temperature and minimum temperature. You can see the purple one is maximum temperature and blue marked one is minimum temperature. So from the graph it can be conclude that Jammu has the largest difference. You can see the Jammu, it has the largest difference and minimum temperature and maximum temperature on 26/6/2006. Means you can see in the bar graph that it has minimum temperature, minimum and maximum temperature on 20th, and from the graph it is concluded that Jammu is the hottest city. And see the graph of Bangalore, lowest one, blue one. See the blue graph, that is the lowest of all. So it is the coldest city, Bangalore and Jaipur. It is very easy, just you have to see the graph and you have to answer the following questions. See the third one, name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. Means which city has very less difference in minimum and maximum. So from the graph it can be concluded that the city which has the least difference its minimum and maximum temperature is Mumbai. You can see in Mumbai that it is not so more and not so less, means it is little bit up and down. So from this we can see that the temperature of different cities maximum and minimum is given.